Imagine a language echoing thousands of years of heritage, a living testament to Naples' soul. Join us as we trace the vibrant journey of Neapolitan, championed by visionaries. From its roots in Latin Vulgar and Greek influences to medieval vernacular distinctions marked by the Placito Capuano, Neapolitan evolved as a unique voice of its people. Neapolitan's evocative expressions birthed Villanella's epic narratives and timeless songs, nurturing literary giants and enchanting melodies that have defined Italy's cultural landscape for centuries. Today, mass media and educational gaps distort Neapolitan's legacy, portraying it through negative stereotypes while eroding the rich musicality and cultural pride of its speakers. Driven by visionary efforts, Accademia Napoletana, led by Massimiliano Verde, champions proper language teaching, official certification, and global dialogue to restore Neapolitan's dignified heritage. Embrace this ancient legacy, value, and protect the Neapolitan language. Let its vibrant spirit unite communities and inspire future generations to celebrate cultural diversity.